big dog.
What's up, world? We're back out here coming live to you and yours from the illustrious coast of Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Headed to some artificial reefs right now on the Hobie Mirage. We're geared up, we're ready to roll. Gonna try a few different things. I'm hoping the bonita will be here. Water's starting to warm back up, so the fish are starting to move back in. Well, certain species starting to liven up out here, which is what I like to see. But yeah, I've got some Carolina rigs set up for the bottom, and I've got some hydro monsters, the Ozuri hydro monsters. Those will catch the bonita when they're here. And then I've got a pompano jig on right now. We have a local pompano tournament going on. So depending on how it goes out here, further out, these reefs are about a mile out. I'm gonna go in there and get on the bars and see if I can get some pompanos on the wiggler jig. So it's gonna be an action-packed day. Lock in right here. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Let's go catch some fish. All right, first bait going down. Got a finger mullet right here on the Carolina rig. Gonna go with 4 ounces. Chopping it on the surtate. Fish on. Right out of the gate. Not big. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these jokers. Remora. Yeah. Always a pleasure. First fish of the day right here. Got the little cobia look-alike Remora. Not what we want. Cool fish though. Let's get him back. Oh, there we go. Yahtzee.
Oh yeah. I got rubbed off on this reef a minute ago just like that. There we go.
Ooh, big dog. There we go. That's a nice fish, number 2.
I'm on you, I think. Yep. That's a good fish, man.
Oh!
Oh, fuck, it's a gag.
Oh, nice gag.
Yeah, that's a nice gag. That's a keeper gag during the normal season.
Oh.
That's a damn shame.
Yeah, that's a real nice fish. Woo!
Yeah, that's a good one, bro.
Appreciate you, man. All right. Fish number 2 is a stud of a gag here.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yes, sir. What a nice fish.
Yeah, that's a beautiful fish, man.
Oh, beaut. Don't tell FWC. No, I'm kidding. This is manageable if I take my time with it. There we go. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Hell yeah, that was a nice bite. He tried to truck over to it. I felt him run right when I hooked him. I brought the heat out today for that guy.
Dude, that's a big old red. Big old red group.
I was expecting a big red. Yeah, a big red snapper.
I can see it.
Sick. One sec, Carlos. I'll hold him up.
See that pole there from a mile away, bro.
That's a heavy rod too, man. All right, guys. Fish number 2. We ain't messing around today. Ooh, ooh. On the finger mullet. Nice gag. Brought out the heavy gear for him. It managed. Just for giggles. Let's see what he measures to. All right, he's 27.
27?
Yeah.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Real nice fish. We're gonna get him back. He's been out of the water for a while. Thank you, sir.
Pretty fish, man. Congrats.
Thanks. All right. Woo! He's strong. He's good to go.
There's a big old turtle.
Let's go. Hell yeah. Good stuff right there. Woo! Fish number 2, baby. I'm jacked up about that one. Let's go. 27-inch gag. Right out of the gate. All right, we're going back down. Let's get another big gag or a big red snapper right here. What I did on that one, I was basically right over the structure. Got that Carolina rig drifting about a foot or two off. I think I'm on. Might have been the bottom. Okay, yeah. There we go. Yeah, just letting it drift right off the bottom. Doubled up over here on the reef. Everybody's catching those little red groupers. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Feels decent. It's not a 27-inch gag, but it's gonna be a decent fish here. Oh, nice. Nice little red grouper. Very cool. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. There we go, little strawberry.
A little toad.
Little toad, man.
A fat toad.
A little toady. Woo! Sick.
The guy that comes to you. Came with you a couple times out here. I fished with you 2 or 3 times.
Oh, Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
How's he been?
He's good, man. I keep trying to get him back on the kayak. He's kind of recovering from a shoulder injury.
Oh no.
So, well, I say that, but it's been a year, every bit of a year and a half, but it's a rotator, so, you know, it takes like 9 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Nice little grouper right there. Has to be 20 inches. He is not,
fish.
he's not quite there. It is a pretty fish, man. He's going back though.
Grow up a little bit.
Yeah. Feed him some more finger mullet. Ooh, we got marks right here. Let's see if we can get on a keeper.
I think it's the same fucking fish coming around.
Yep, we're on. Is he 20? Nope. Oh, that's a, yeah. Another little grouper. I'll take it. Grouper number 3, second little red. It's going back. Hey, he on. Ricky's on. Oh, got out of there. There we go. Fish on. I just hooked him up. No idea yet. Probably.
I thought you yelled snook.
I said fish on. Oh yeah, another little grouper. Snook would be wild out here, man. Unheard of, actually. Where are you guys from?
I live in Freeport.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been all the time.
Hell yeah.
I've been trying to come out here. I've been waiting on it to warm up though.
Yep, I hear that. Fish number 4 right there. Another little red grouper. Not big enough. Cool fish though. Let's go, man. If you got more drag, put it on him. He's running for the structure. Oh no.
No way, dude.
That was a stud.
That was a beast.
That was, man.
That broke my heart right now.
No, that is a heartbreaker, dude. No, he got you into the structure, man. That's why I bring out this Surtate. That gag grouper, I had like probably 45 pounds of drag on him, or he'd have gotten me like that. That was either a big grouper or a big snapper. Oh, fish on right there. Feels like another red grouper. Oh, maybe a little heavier. Pretty decent. Oh yeah. Okay, about the same size. Another red grouper right there. Red grouper number 4 right there. Sick fish. Such pretty fish, these red grouper. Need to get a keeper now. Well, you have made it to the end of yet another fascinating video. Thanks for staying till the very end. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Enjoy these beautiful ospreys overlooking the Gulf of America, the newly named Gulf of America. Love it. Thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in that next video.